Good morning, Starbucks and Shorty. 5 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I'm on my grind. I'm on my hustle. Art and activism, the art of protest. I don't need 1 million people to march. I need 1 million people to pay attention. I'm on Charles Street in Preston, and I'm getting ready to press up on y'all. West Wednesdays. All right, West Wednesday. You wear the mask, you got to put in the work. Social media for social change. Spartans, what's your occupation? My occupation is, this is my occupation. Art and activism. Activism is my occupation. I'm the cook in Baltimore, and I'm getting ready to cook y'all up. Never bite the hand that feeds you. That's Judge Bell and Shannon Sneed. That's Nick Mosby and Marilyn Mosby. That's Kwaisa and Fume. That's Doc. That's Congressman Cummings and Jason Newton. That's Nick Mosby and Ron Matz. That's Corey McCray. That's Speaker Jones and Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake and Jack Young. That's 2007. In regards to your documentary, I will not be able to appear. I was making a documentary about the Democratic Party. The Democratic Party. Blacks selling out blacks. Racism don't work without black cooperation. That's Senator Van Hollen's office. They will congratulate a person doing the same thing as you, just not you, just because it's you. I'm the founding member of the Baltimore Block. I'm the cook in Baltimore. I'm an activist in Baltimore. I'm the king of talking shit in Baltimore. This is my family, because I'm not from Baltimore. That's Anthony Brown, mass incarceration. You got to get a special prosecutor, because y'all got to do something about this. You see who that is? All right, that's my lawyer. We talking about slavery in the 21st century. Slavery in the 21st century. That's Johnny Oleski asking for an investigation. Like I said, we put this in the book. Slavery in the 21st century. That's Natasha, Maryland State Public Defender. This toilet represents how you treat the black community. You treat us like shit. That's Greg Bernstein. He had this. See who that is? Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. Mayor Brandon Scott. Scott Shellenberger. Governor O'Malley. That toilet was about your Democratic Party and the money you make off black bodies. It's about Governor O'Malley. And that's my store on Falls Road. You feel me? I'm the best of the best in Baltimore. I'm an activist in Baltimore. That's Pam Woods. The shielding law don't apply to y'all because y'all ain't using the shielding law the way it was meant to be. I got a $250 million lawsuit from 2012. I'm going to bump it up. That's Eric Barron from the Department of Justice. We talking about voter suppression in the 2024 elections, the 2022 elections. Voter suppression. Y'all took me off the ballot. Y'all tried to charge me with campaign financing violations, and I didn't take no money. These is the Constitution, the 4th Amendment, the 5th Amendment, the 6th Amendment. That's Delegate Stephanie Smith. That's Judge Carrion. That's Delegate Ruth. That's Peter Francott. That's Joshua Harris and Raleigh. And I'm the best of the best in Baltimore, 2016. That's Governor Hogan. And those are criminal charges. That's Chief Johnson. That's Chief Judge Mary Barbera. That's Marilyn Mosby. That's Donald Trump. And that's out for justice, and it ain't gonna be just us. Like I said, Ivan Bates got this information. Making a movie ain't against the law. That's States Attorney Marilyn Mosby. That's States Attorney Ivan Bates. That's a movie release. That's Ivan Bates. That's Department of Justice. That's a movie release. Racism in the judicial system. Got a story called Shorty. President Obama asked for an investigation. The ball's in your court. What are you gonna do? This is a made for Hollywood. You feel me? Made for Hollywood. That's Natasha. That's Natasha. That's the Baltimore beat, and that's the movie release. Like I said, I'm the founding member of the Baltimore block. Art advocate. All right, this is about art. And this is the toilet. Public Accommodations Act. You took an oath to defend the Constitution. Sheila Dixon, we talking about your police and your policing. I'm a weaver in Baltimore. I weave through art. I weave through art. And these are activists in Baltimore. And we join together with the West Coalition. So Ivan Bates, what you gonna do? Mayor Brandon Scott, Miller, if you wear the mask, you got to put in the work. You wore the mask and you ain't putting in the work. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. Like I said, it's all right here. Art and evidence. 55, staying alive. Ivan Bates, we got a court date. Benjamin Brooks, Senator Benjamin Brooks got my evidence. Voter suppression. Ex-felons got a right to vote. Spartans, what's your occupation? My occupation is activism. You feel me? That's my occupation. Are we clear on this? Are you ready for this? I got all sizes of toilets. I got talking toilets, squirting toilets, and I'm selling toilets to bring attention and awareness to mass incarceration. Y'all passing this crime bill where y'all want to send 10-year-olds to jail. Well, we're going to send some old people to jail. We're going to start with Shellenberger. Mike! Check! It's your wake-up call. Are you ready for this?